Hey guys, it's me again. I'm just going over this Christian review with you. Okay, so we have the number 6 in the last little video. We said that the 6 was the number of man. It's about Satan's. It's about man's rebellion to God. I'm sorry. That 1002. I believe that 10 is really a 9 because the occultists like to do one less. Whenever they do something, they're copycats of God. So like they like to do it one less. So I'm thinking that 10 is really a 9 and that 20 is really a 19. Um okay, so if that is true and we have the numbers, the 6 could be upside down, 9 too. Now the ninth, now the number 9 symbolizes the ninth hour. It could also be where, where the ninth hour of Jesus' death, the Roman centurion Cornelius, who had his ear cut off, was one of the first Christians because God healed him, Jesus healed him. And 9 is the total number of destructions of Jerusalem's temple. 9 represents the total number of destruction of Jerusalem's temple. And actually 19, if that 02 is really not a 02, it's a 20, which minus 1 would be a 19. So 19 is just a sec. 19 is what? 19 is about God's judgment. 19 is about God's judgment. So that would kind of make sense. So we've got 9, which is the rebuilding of the third temple, which symbolizes the rebuilding of the new temple. And then we've got 19. All of these numbers are minus by 1. That 10 is actually a 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we've got the 02, which is actually a 20. And if we minus that, it's a 1. It took me like forever to learn how to decode this the way I'm supposed to learn how to decode it biblically. So forgive me if I'm a little shoddy. But yes, the 19 has to do with the God's total judgment. And that kind of makes sense if we're in the tribulation. Tribulation means judgment. It's the preliminary procedure before the wrath takes place, which is the punishment. Food for thought.